Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the headlight, phone headlight on Volkswagen Touareg right here that we have at the shop. Check out on World Mechanics, our main channel, the beautiful ZHP build that we have there. Not so beautiful now, but it will be soon. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we need to go to the back of the vehicle for that procedure. I'll show you why. You open your trunk and you'll find a tool for the headlights. Okay, it's a big mess here. Okay, these two right here. We just got this one from an auction. Haven't had a time to mess with it lately. Okay, we're gonna start soon. So more videos to come. Okay, this is the tool guys. You can see super nice tool. So what we'll need to do, okay, right here you have that bolt and you turn counterclockwise. It says open, okay, like that. And when it opens all the way, okay, you're going to grab the headlight and it's stuck. I need 2 hands for that. Okay, like that. It's gonna pull more and then it's gonna stop. Next, the headlight will stop and it won't come out more. What you need to do, get the same tool through that hole right here. Okay, let me show you what you're aiming for. Okay, right here there is one spring that you click on it, and once you click, okay, you're going to go ahead and pull the light out. Okay, it's tight, but it will come out. Okay, you need to press towards the front. We'll show you once we remove the headlight. Okay, we'll pull the tool out now and headlight is out of there. Okay, this is the spring that we're talking about right here. This spring is the one that you click on so it can come out. So when you need guys to replace it, if you need to, you get a new headlight. What you need to do, you need to make sure that this one goes in this groove right here all the way. Okay, and then you need to push in, okay, and it's going to click, okay, like that. It clicks, and now you're going to turn it clockwise until it's closed. Okay, it just goes a little bit, okay, like that. Perfect. So that will be guys the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.